Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Resin. Today I am making resin pen with beautiful color combination. I hope all of you will like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful resin ideas about resin coaster, resin pen, resin jewelry, resin table, etc. I am also making with the leftover beautiful keychain. This is very beautiful color combination, black and golden. I have made black color with the help of acrylic paint and golden with the help of golden flags. Very interesting art, useful hobby. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.